Want to install and use Gboard on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra instead of the default Samsung keyboard? Here's how to do it. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Gboard. Once you find it, tap Install. After that, open the app and follow the prompt to enable Gboard in Settings. If that prompt doesn't appear, just do it manually. Go to Settings, then General Management, then Keyboard. Here you'll see Gboard. Turn it on and tap On-Screen Keyboard. Then set it as your default keyboard. Now open any app that brings up the keyboard. If your old keyboard still shows up, tap the keyboard icon or microphone icon at the bottom left. Then tap Input Method and select Gboard. And that's it. Gboard is now active on your Galaxy S26 Ultra.